Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is how to change an AirTag's battery, how to change an Apple AirTag battery. So all you do is kind of push and twist counterclockwise. So that's to the left. Once you do, the battery will emerge, and then you can put the new battery in. And you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find the type of battery like I use. But be sure when you put your new battery in that the positive side is facing the silver part that you're going to put back on, because that's important. You got to put it in that way. Hope this video helped. Again, if it did, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified whenever I post another video. And again, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the battery like I use. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. And be aware that some batteries that have a it's for protecting children or whatever, it's a bitter taste. Some of those batteries that have a bitter taste may not work well with the AirTag. So again, expand this video's description and click the link there to find the ones like I use. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.